Why hello, it's me, MrSasaki, and today we're doing Long Long Ago from Suzuki Violin Book 2, Tutorial and Playthrough. If you want the playthrough, use the chapters below and skip ahead, Tutorial. Long Long Ago. Very close relative to our Book 1 Long Long Ago. The only difference is that we're a whole step lower. So instead of A, we're starting on D3. Whole step lower, so the pitch is G to start out. Now, what that does is it creates a slightly awkward fingering, I find anyway, is that we have regular 1, low 2, space 3, space 4. And so that is a stretch there. That's tricky. So you really want to practice keeping that 2 close to 1 and that 4 kind of stretched up and not alter our hand too much. Okay, just try to open it up there. Practice so that your 4th finger is matching your open E string. Alright, but that's not the true difficulty in this song. The true difficulty is the variation. We have a whole new section to this version. And if you look at it, it looks daunting, right? We have a lot of notes, but really, think about this. The melody is the same as we're used to. We just have the addition of open D strings. That's it, open D strings. The real difficulty now is going to be the bowing. So we have down, up, or pull, push, push. So now I like to say pull, push, because we have a constant weight. We're going to pull on the bow down, and then we're going to push, push. And with every push, we're going to break the friction, and it's going to go gut, gut. That's what we want, that down, okay? And because we have staccatos on those ups. So what we can practice is our open strings. So maybe the first 2 measures is really good. We can ghost the fingers on top, but just play the open string changes. So we have. So pretty complicated, right? Now we can add the fingers once we get that to be clean. Okay, so give that a try. So maybe try practicing it without the fingering. You can ghost it on top and just get those string changes. That's the most tricky thing to coordinate. Then add the fingers. You should be good. Let's do the playthrough. The playthrough, we have moderato, so medium. Of course, we want to be thinking about that variation because that's the most notes that we have. So da dum bum bum ba da. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so how'd you do? Let me know in the comments below. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.